Hey everyone, it's Richard Payne here from Invicta Property Investments, and it's been a while since we've actually done some videos for the investment property side. You know that as always, I'm hoping that you're checking out richardpayne.ca, which is the realtor aspect, but we've been a bit negligent, a little bit lax maybe, in actually going ahead and doing the Invicta property investment stuff. But I heard a really good thing today. I was listening to the Rain CDs that have just come through the post, downloads actually, from the Ontario meeting, which was in August. And one of the interesting things there is they were talking about negotiations and how a lot of people, there's kind of like the new method of negotiation and the old method of negotiation. Old method basically is all about I've got to win. And because I've got to win, you have got to lose. And it was always that mentality of confrontation, standoffishness. I've got to win, you've got to lose, I'm going to take every cent off the table. And we've touched on this a little bit before, but it just made me really think about the fact that that's not really going to help you in this life. It's more of a collaboration is what we're trying to do, and it's trying to put that deal together, and both people want to win, because especially with real estate, you know, somebody usually is selling and somebody usually is buying. So why can't it be the way that we both win? I get what I want because I get the property and I pay fair market value and all the inspections, we get the financing and everything else. And you win because potentially you sold it, you got out of the deal, you cashed in some money, you did something else with that equity, you know, whatever you wanted to do. And that's really where a lot of my skills as an income property owner, an investor, as well as a realtor, you know, we see both sides of that fence. And my style has definitely changed a lot, I can tell you, over the last year and a half, into becoming one of these people that's like, listen, you want to sell it, I want to buy it, how can we make this work? You know, let's sit down, let's talk about it all. And we're in the middle of a deal now, and it's the same kind of thing where I'm just the one realtor in the deal. We found the seller. We've already had the client who wants to buy it, and we're sat in the middle just trying to create the deal. And it's so much easier, I tell you. It's just like a breath of fresh air when I'm not trying to negotiate with another realtor who's like, my client says I've got to have this price. And it's just so refreshing. So think about that every single time you go into any kind of negotiation. You know, what has it got to be that you both want? And just come out of it with that mindset of it's not about I've got to win, therefore you have to lose. It's about how can we create this deal so that both of us get what we want and we both therefore win. So there you go. That's just one of those little things that we thought we'd actually get out there today and post on the Invicta website and on the blog post. So we're back. Here we go. Now, one of the other things coming up, of course, is that Moncton Investor Forum. I really hope a week on Saturday, the 21st, we're going to see you there, because it's going to be awesome, as it usually is. A whole day of just learning and understanding new strategies that people are employing, as well as networking with other people. So fingers crossed we'll see you there. I'll be there, and I'd love to sit down and talk to you. And if you've got any questions at all about income properties, about investing, about real estate, are you buying it, are you selling it, you know where to find me. I'd love to talk to you. 902-489-1804. Email me, richard@invictaproperties.ca, or of course richard@richardpayne.ca. Either way, you're going to get me, and we can see how we can help you out. Look forward to seeing you again soon. It's been a while, long overdue, but there you go, we're back.